Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Elina from Barbie Fairytopia Mermaidia in Dresden Press without VIP. Okay, first of all, you can choose these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color, this yellow light color. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room and we're going to wear the coats item. Wait guys, you can choose, where is it? Okay, this one, the skirt, and you're going to color it with this pink color and make it glitter. And then I'm just going to go to the next area. I'm going to go to the skirt area and choose the skirt and change it to go to 2 and color it with the same pink color and make it glitter. Okay, and the next one, we're going to select the items from the Valentine's update, the skirt, and again you're going to make it glitter and then make it this pink color for all the selections. Okay, then you're going to choose this bracelet from the Valentine's update, this one guys. You're going to make it pink color and you're going to select this corset, make it pink color for all the selections, and don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, I'm just going to make them all glitter. Alright, like this, just make it glitter for all the selection. And then I'm going to move to this area and select this pink bow heel and make it this pink color, okay, for all the selection. And I'm going to choose this butterfly. I'm going to color it pink, and also this flower crown, color it with this color for the first selection and make it pink for the roses. Okay, just make it pink. And for the butterflies, I'm going to make it this color, and also for the small flowers, and I'm going to adjust a little bit for the rotation. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that. And the next one, I'm going to go to the necklace area and I'm going to choose this necklace, color the second part pink, and this one as well, color the second selection this pink, and also for the third selection. And I'm going to put on this necklace, and then we're going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to choose this Myra heel and I'm going to make it pink color. Okay, and then the last one, now it's time to add the wing. Okay, just select this one and I'm going to make it pink. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Very bad, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will look like this. That's so cool, right? Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.